vehicle? Check out the 2021 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, power brakes, braking assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.